To another primetime news follow-up, the Jamaica Teachers Association says the recent incident at the B.B. Coke High School resulting in the hospitalization of a 14-year-old after he was assaulted by a senior student points to a deeper issue in the education system. The student has since been transferred to a facility in St. Andrew while his attacker has been charged. More in this report.
According to reports, the 14-year-old was brutally beaten after accidentally stepping on the 11th grader's brand new shoes at Clark's. Reacting to the incident, JTA President Leighton Johnson says the attack is evidence of the Dunce culture, which has been allowed to take root in the education sector.
We have allowed the acquisition of material possessions to be viewed as the ultimate means of validation for success. School administrators know very well that in many instances, students are distracted by fashion and fads, and the maintenance of these fashions and fads lead to students displaying behaviors that are disruptive, disgraceful, disrespectful, and violent.
He says teachers are at times fearful of students who use the acquisition of certain material items as a statement to indicate a group, a syndicate, or a gang they're part of.
It is based on these experiences why school administrators have engaged the process of implementing rules that seek to prevent the cultural practices, these negative cultural practices that can lead to violent behaviors from taking root in their schools, and to ensure that our schools remain safe spaces.
He also urged students to use conflict resolution skills and the restorative justice practices that are being taught and promoted in schools. But as for parents,
do not give your children high-end cell phones that will make them targets. Do not allow your children to take more than one device to school. Be conservative in the footwear and the bags that you give to your children, as we have seen where students have been robbed, hurt, and sad to say, killed for these things.
The accused student in the B.B. Coke incident is expected to make his first court appearance on Monday. As for the injured student, he remains in stable condition. Javon Keys, TVJ News.